Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and today I thought we'd do something a little bit different. As you can see, my desk here is a wreck. What you can't see right now is how bad the floor is, the cart that you're on top of, what's behind me. Today we're going to do like a cleanup challenge. I'm going to set the camera up and do sort of a time lapse of me cleaning it and then break in between with different stuff. So I think I'm going to set a timer on my phone. And we're just going to put everything away. But before we get started, please do something while you're watching this video. Hopefully you can scrapbook while you're watching this video or clean along with me. And if you guys are interested, you could do this cleaning challenge yourself as well if you'd like to. You just set a timer and clean as much as you can in the allotted time. I'm going to do 20 minutes. I think that'll get me enough time to get what I need to get put away, especially my desk and then putting stuff back on the shelves. But we're going to go do an overview now of what there is going on in here. And then I'll set you guys up for what's going to happen. So here is my desk. I recently got a laptop holder, so that's why my laptop is like that. I really enjoy it. I was watching a haul with from A Date with My Craft Room. I love her haul videos. And you guys can see my shelves are quite empty over there because I have everything out on the floor. Yeah, so we're gonna have to clean all this up. I take my monitors off my desk when I'm not working during the week, so they're off since it's the weekend. We got a lot of stuff to clean up here. Then down here, let me move my chair. We've got a lot of stuff. All of my Disney stuff's in a mess. My bullet journal has been neglected. I have stacks of stuff on top of Sam's stuff. Really, I just gotta clean up the cart, redo the cart, and sort of reevaluate how I want things to be on my desk. And that's what we're gonna tackle today. So let's get a timer going and get you guys set up so you guys can watch what's happening as it's happening. So I have you guys set up so you can kind of see while I'm working on the floor here to get this initial stuff off the floor. Then I think we're going to move to the desk and then the cart. So floor first so we can actually move around. And then we'll see where it takes us. But I have a timer set on my phone. I'm kind of scared for it. So 20 minutes will start. I probably won't talk much at the beginning until, I'll do a little bit of check-ins. But get ready for a time lapse of cleaning. And I hope you guys are ready to either clean with me, craft with me, listen while you're at work. I hope you guys are able to be productive during this time as well. I know that's one of Janet's at RTS's scrapbooking. She loves it when people are doing things during her videos. That way it's like a win-win. You get more scrappy information, you get entertainment, but you're also doing something as well. So I hope you guys are able to play along. So this is the 20-minute crafty challenge. No, this is the 20-minute crafty cleaning challenge starting now. Okay, I set that aside. First off, I have my recent Tuesday morning haul stuff here. And right here is my embellishment basket. I brought the chair over so I could have this to set stuff on, but now I kind of see that it's out of frame. So I'm bring it closer. So I'm going to sort this. Letter stickers. Stamps do not go in here, so I'm going to take all those out. So this will just be my embellishment container. And these new ones will go in there as well. New stickers, regular embellishments. And I normally sort these by height, because that seems to be what works best. Top heavy at the moment. We've got adhesive. There's more embellishments in this basket than you go in that basket. I'm going to move those over to there. So we have some stickers here. Those are all my puppy stickers. Put those in there. Maybe I won't do time lapse. I haven't decided yet. Some stuff's falling down. I wish I had a bin to put inside here, but I don't think I do. I'm gonna set it down here for a second, only because it keeps falling over. These in here. Now it doesn't have to be perfect either, which is the good news. Some cut aparts will go in here. Now this is the bin that goes on top of my bookshelf, in case you're wondering where this exists. So I'm going to move this out of the way. Grab this. Now not everything's standing up because there's obviously a lot of room left in here. So I'm just going to switch everything into this one. Like I don't need my twine and stuff in its own bin yet because I don't have it all here yet. Cute little 3x4 cord. And then this fell off the sticker sheet. What was torn off? So now I have an empty bin. Good. let's move you over the bookshelf so you can see what's going on over there. So we are currently at 17 minutes left. And this is going to look really funky because of this light. Yeah, that'll be better. Let me move this cord. So we have a couple more things on the floor to take care of. My 6x6 paper pad bin is down here where it shouldn't be. I'm going to put this away. I got some random things in random places. So like my punches have to go in my punch bin. I'm actually going to slide it over to here. This stuff normally stays on the floor. This is new stuff I brought. So I've got some 12x12 paper. That needs to be put away elsewhere. Photos. Again, those go on the cart over there. Extra adhesive goes up here in this blue bin. And now this storage container is empty. So that's good. And I also have this one to go through. Stickers and stickers. Stamps. And those in the stamp pile to be put away. Stamps and sequins. Good, good. Stamps. Sequins go up on my desk for now because that's where the organizer is for them. Stamping platform. I don't have a place for this yet, so we're going to set that aside. Happy mail that I need to put away. So this needs to be sorted through, so I'm going to put this on my desk as well. Actually, this is stamped up. These weren't happy mail, they're just mail. This goes with my filming supplies. Oh no, there's stars all over the bottom of my bag. These were part of the happy mail that I brought. We've got a water pen, which needs to be cleaned, and then a palette knife, which can go in there for now. Then we have an organizer that's empty, pretty much empty, I should say. So I can go right there. And there's sequin mix. And now this one's empty besides all the little stars that I need to pick out of it. Okay. So the stickers will go up in the top here with the rest of the alphabet. My other stamping platform's under here as well. So I need to find a place for both of these, but I'm thinking they'll go on my tool cart over there. So I'll put those on my chair as well. Also in the video, you guys might have seen this. This is my weight for my tripod system, so this just stays on the floor until I need it. I have a lot of garbage on the floor too, like little cut-offs and bits, so those need to be thrown away. My DIY bin's fine, it is. So we'll deal with the stamps afterwards, I think, because I need to label all of those new ones and put them into sleeves. And I don't think I have enough sleeves to do that yet. I have photos here that don't need to stay here. Those are the photos that need to be sorted. Some good old recycling. Again, recycling's on the other side, so pretty much done on the floor on this side. We do need to come back to the shelves when I put stuff away off of my desk, and we're doing great on time. Still got 13 minutes. So let's head over to the desk. Well, we didn't make it. We still have a lot on the desk. Less on the floor though, over here. That's looking good. And the shelves themselves are looking pretty good. Got the stamps to put away still, which that's like another day project. I don't really want to do that today. Got the paper pads put away finally, 6x6 and 12x12. Paper punches put away. Didn't really touch that stuff at all, but so here's where we are now. Stuff that needs to go back in packaging. Some work stuff over there. This was my tripod. These little die-cut containers, so those just need to be put away. More stuff to be put away in packaging. scraps from my Disney projects. Not sure how I'm going to store those yet. Maybe just paper clip them together and put them in with the rest of the stuff. Happy Mail, I still want to go through and share stamping platforms. So if we turn to our right, up top is a kit for my Vermont travel album. That's what that is. Down here is ink pads, brush pens, ATG, mixed media mess. This probably should have been reorganized, but oh, that's where that went. I was actually looking for this the other day. Oh well. Down here is where my electronics go, so like my camera if I'm not using it, my microphone when I'm not using it, and then my photos. And then this is where my Disney stuff is currently because that's what I'm working on. When I'm done with this month, I think I'm going to put it over in that corner too. Not that it's going to be in focus because there, next to this one right there. I do have an empty bin. I'm not sure what I put in this before, but it goes where the stamps are. So for now I'm just going to leave it empty bin just to have one. All the embellishments fit in this big one. Looks a little messy. That's just because they're in the wrong size order. I just got to fix that. Other than that, I think we did pretty good. So that was my take on the 20-minute crafty cleanup challenge. Let me know if you guys are going to partake in the challenge. You can tag me on Instagram if you do it over there with a before and after photo of one place that you tackle in your craft room. As you guys know, this is not my full craft space. I am in the midst of a move, so this is like my temporary craft space. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun to do. It was scary. I will say that I didn't use up my full 20 minutes just for cleaning since I had to move the camera around and stuff. I just let the timer run, so that kind of was built into that. So I'm going to say that I could have done a little bit more if I didn't film it. Maybe, probably. And if I was a little bit more focused. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little challenge. Let me know if you guys are going to try it. And don't mind that organizer in the background. It does not fit where I wanted it to, so now it just hangs there. But I might be able to use that one day. But that's it for now. I'm going to just tidy off my desk, finish that up, deal with my cart another day, so I can actually make some scrapbooking videos. So be on the lookout for process videos soon on a newly cleaned desk, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and definitely let me know if you try the 20-minute challenge. Bye guys!